Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject EVS. Chapter 8. How Things Are Made. We learnt in grade 3 that things around us are made of different materials. Are you curious to know how these things are made? As an example, let us learn with Pihu how paper is made. It was a Sunday and Pihu was busy painting in her drawing book. Her mother was reading a newspaper. When Pihu looked up, she noticed a picture of trees on the front page of the newspaper. 1. Ma, this picture says that if we recycle paper, we can save trees. How are trees and paper related to each other? 2. Paper is made from trees, Pihu. 3. Does that mean my drawing book is also made from trees? 4. Yes, Pihu. Your drawing book, this newspaper, paper napkins and even the chart papers you use for school projects are all made from trees. 5. Ma, touch this. The surface of this pot looks like it is made from paper. However, it feels rough unlike my drawing book. 6. Yes, Pihu. That is because it is made from recycled paper. 7. Ma, can we make such paper? 8. Yes, Pihu. Why not? Let us try. Natural color experiment. Cut the recycled paper into pieces of same size. Color them using natural ingredients mentioned in the table below. You can use any other natural ingredients as well. Make sure that the quantity of ingredients used is the same for coloring each piece of paper. Paper can be painted with natural and artificial dyes. Natural dyes are made from different parts of a plant like the leaf, flower, root, seed, stem, etc. Thus, the produced natural dyes are safe to use. These are also used to color various materials such as clothes and pots. A special gift. Pihu gifted her mother a beautiful greeting card. Pihu, Ma, thank you for teaching me how to recycle paper to make greeting cards. Ma, or Pihu, this is lovely. It is a special gift for me. Different types of paper and their uses. Writing paper, used in notebooks, letter pads, and for everyday writing in schools and offices. Printing paper, used in printers and photocopiers for printing documents, books, newspapers, and worksheets. Chart paper, used for making charts, posters, school projects, and visual presentations. Cardboard cardstock, used to make greeting cards, invitation cards, craft models, and folders. Tissue paper, used in the kitchen, bathrooms, for cleaning, or as wrapping for delicate items. Newspaper paper, newsprint, used specifically for printing newspapers due to its thin and lightweight texture. Glossy paper, used for printing photos, magazines, and high-quality brochures due to its shiny finish. Construction paper, used in arts and crafts, especially in schools, because it comes in various bright colors. Handmade paper, used for eco-friendly crafts, decoration, and designer stationery. Butter paper, parchment paper, used in baking for lining trays and for tracing in art and craft. We use different types of paper for different purposes. For example, tissue paper is used for cleaning as it is very thin, soft and absorbs water. Cardboard is thick and hard, and so it is used to make boxes for packing various objects. Making responsible choices in our daily life, we can follow a 5-step plan to reduce waste. They are called the 5 rupees of waste management. The 5 rupees are: Refuse, saying no to using things that generate waste. For example, refusing single-use paper cups. Reduce, using things carefully so that we can reduce the waste we generate. For example, using both sides of paper for making notes. Reuse, using something multiple times before discarding it. For example, using a gift bag again for another occasion instead of throwing it away. Repurpose, using something in a new and innovative way. For example, creating toys or decorative items using old newspapers. Recycle. Recycling is a process which involves steps that can turn a thing into something new. For example, old newspapers can be recycled to create handmade paper. By making these small changes in our lives, we can help our environment, save our resources, and reduce pollution caused by waste products. Let us get creative with paper. One can make many things with used paper. Here are some creative ideas to make toys and decorations using old newspapers. Do you know? The Braille system helps visually challenged people to read and write by feeling the different patterns of tiny bumps on the Braille paper. The patterns represent different numbers, alphabets, and punctuation. Do you know? In earlier times, people used different materials instead of paper. They used cloth, leaves, and wooden boards to write. People in India also used palm leaves called talpatra. Environment-friendly material like banana fiber can be used to make paper. These alternatives save trees and protect our environment. Activity Make recycled paper. 1. Collect materials, old newspapers, some fenugreek seeds, methi, and water. Prepare the paper pulp, tear the newspapers into small pieces and soak them in water. Put a small quantity of fenugreek seeds in the water and leave it overnight. The fenugreek seeds are used as a binding material. Using a grinder, blend or mash the soaked paper and fenugreek seeds to create a wet mixture. Soaked paper can also be mashed using hands or any other available tool. Roll out, spread the paste on a flat base and roll it out into thin sheets. 5. Leave the rolled sheets of paper to dry. Your recycled paper is ready. Activity 2. Color and design the paper you have made. Activity 3. Make a greeting card, a paper mask, or any such item made of recycled paper. Activity 5. A family brings their own cloth bags to the grocery store instead of using plastic ones. Reuse. Maya does not use a plastic straw to drink coconut water. Thanks for watching.